chances are the bra you're wearing right now doesn't fit. That's not a guess, it's a statistic. Around 70% of women are wearing the wrong size. And this isn't just about minor discomfort. We're talking about chronic back, neck, and shoulder pain, skin irritation, bad posture, even restricted breathing. So why is something so basic so difficult to get right? It starts with the tape measure. The system seems simple. 2 numbers. First, your band size, which you get by wrapping a tape snugly around your ribcage, just beneath your bust. Second, your cup size. You measure the fullest part of your bust, and the difference between that number and your band size gives you a letter. A 1-inch difference is an A cup, 2 inches is a B, and so on. But this simple math is built on a shaky foundation, including an outdated +4 method where you'd add 4 inches to your band measurement. It's a ghost in the machine that still causes confusion today. That confusion is compounded by a simple, frustrating fact. There is no universal sizing standard in the lingerie industry. A 34C from one brand can fit completely differently than a 34C from another. Each company uses its own fit models, its own patterns, its own materials with different levels of stretch. And then there's the biggest variable of all, you. Your body isn't static. Hormonal changes during your cycle, pregnancy, or menopause fundamentally alter breast tissue. During menopause, for instance, glandular tissue is often replaced by softer fatty tissue, changing both size and shape. Because of this, your bra size isn't a number you find once and are set for life. You should be remeasuring every 6 to 12 months, or anytime you notice a significant change in your body. Relying on a size you were given 5 years ago is one of the most common mistakes people make. But what if you could bypass the tape measure and the confusing charts entirely? Technology is now stepping in to solve the chaos. Some brands are using AI-powered chatbots that are proving to be 3 times more precise than traditional measurements. It's not just about numbers, it's about nuance. New applications use your smartphone's camera to perform a 360-degree scan of your torso, creating what's essentially a digital twin. With accuracy rates hitting 94%, this tech can account for your unique shape, volume, and asymmetry in a way a simple cloth tape never could. The proof is in the data. Brands using these systems have seen returns drop by as much as 40%. This tells us that personalization is the key. We're moving away from a system that asks you to fit into a standardized box and towards one that builds the box around you. But even the most accurate size in the world doesn't matter if the bra itself is uncomfortable. The fit goes beyond the numbers on the tag. Materials play a huge role. Soft, breathable fabrics prevent skin irritation, while the right amount of elastane allows the bra to move with your body instead of fighting against it. Design is just as critical. Seamless construction minimizes chafing, and wide, adjustable straps distribute weight properly, taking the pressure off your shoulders. And you don't necessarily need high-tech tools to get a better measurement. If you're in a place with limited access, a simple piece of string and a ruler can do the job just as well. Ultimately, finding the right fit is about recognizing that it's a dynamic process. It's not about a single magic number. It's about understanding that your body changes, that brands differ, and that the goal isn't just support. It's your long-term health and comfort.